Oh, there's the targets. Ghetto as hell, but I'm a redneck and we make do. Those are two 6-inch paper plates, one on top of the other on the boards there. And actually, I'm not really going for accuracy today anyway. I'm just doing a function test because I just replaced this piece right here. It holds my trigger and my hammer assembly together in one piece. I guess while we're at it, I should show you. Okay, I don't want to actually show my serial number of my firearm. So this is the dreaded AR-15 that everybody's so scared of. AR does not stand for assault rifle, it stands for Armalite, the company that made it. And then I'm also going to do some transition drills from my rifle to my pistol. It's 1911. You can tell it's had plenty of use from the slide wear. But I couldn't find any of my attachments for my GoPro. This pissed me off a great deal. As you can tell, it's still pretty fucking cold out here. It's about 28 degrees Fahrenheit, whatever the hell that is in Celsius. So I'm going to be doing a function test of this first, just to see if it goes bang. And then I'm going to do some transition drills where I shoot this a couple times, and then remove my pistol from the holster down there to the holster that's on my chip vest, which is armor. So bullet comes flying back, it has to hit me in the face. And since I don't have the attachments or anything, I'm going to have to sit you over here on a wood pile. So instead of getting a bird's eye view like this of me shooting, you're going to have to kind of just watch from the side. That sucks, bud, but that's the best I can do. So first off, I'm going to do a function test of this, and then I'm going to do a couple transition drills and see what I can make of that. Alright, and you get to watch. Hopefully none of my ejected shells fly all the way over here and hit you, but there are no promises in this. Hell, I don't even know if this thing will be pointing at me because I can't see it for shit. I'm making you seasick. I'm making me seasick watching it. Sit still, damn it. Alright. Okay, by the way, I forgot to mention, these are the bullets that I use regularly against like people I don't want in my house. I don't want to waste these are expensive, so instead I'll be using these. Those are much cheaper rounds. They do the exact same thing, they're just cheaper. These are 40 round PMags. They got 40 rounds in them, and the 1911 holds 8 rounds in the magazine and 1 in the chamber. So you got 9 shots with a pistol, and you've got 40 shots, well 41 if you were to reload, but with this particular magazine in here. So go ahead and transfer my pistol. Okay, that's position 1. Slide the load. Weapon's hot. We'll do a series of double taps. Functioned pretty flawlessly. I'm impressed. I just put that in there yesterday. 0 problems. Okay, cool. I need to work on the side a little bit because it looks like it's shooting a little low. So, alright, now I'm going to do a transition drill where I fire this, pretend like I get a jam or something, put it on safe, swing it out of the way, draw my 1911 and continue to fire. So in case something happens with this gun, I can immediately go to this one. Alright, here we go. And it's going to snow again, of course, why not? Put 2 rounds through it, put it on safe, draw another one. That was complete shit, by the way. I'm not used to this sling, this isn't my normal sling. We'll make all kinds of excuses like fishing. You always make excuses. Let's try it again, shall we? Alright. 2. Clear. See, missed the safety altogether. My bad. Let's try it again. Not too Rambo now, am I? try that again, because that was horrid beyond imagining. Alright, one more time. Got a hang fire in the last round. The gun's now empty, as you can see. Now, I'm not even trying to make excuses for my incredibly poor marksmanship. I don't know about marksmanship, but my timing is shit. Let's try that again. This is why we practice, 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 kiddies. You're never gonna get to this in real life. It's snowing, it's cold, my fucking glasses are fogged up. Alright. Weapons and battery. Locked in, it's on safe. AR's on safe. Okay. Swinging this is not working out too well, so I'll get it clear far enough. May need to come up with a new stance or swing wider. Here we go. Okay, again. Do not go away on safety. Again. Again. Last time. Emptied that magazine. So, here we go. Alright, just to scare the shit out of the locals and give you something to look at. We'll do a mag dump and just finish out everything else left in this as quick as I can. Alright? No accuracy out of this one. That's it, gentlemen. Empty magazine, weapons clear. Close dust cover. I'm terrified to think of what it looks like down there, because I guarantee you that all those shots I fired, I doubt if half of them went where they were supposed to. But that's okay. That's what we train for. Alright, let's go look. Okay, you can see the brass, or in this case steel. It's brass with the 45 shells. It's a empty 45 shell. And then, okay, keep our gun out of the fucking muzzle with the dirt here. That's 5.56 Tulamo round. Now, like I said, my marksmanship's probably abysmal. It's the first time I've been out shooting this year because it's been so damn cold. So let's see what we did. Now, 6-inch pie plate's supposed to illustrate the human torso, all the center body mass shots. So here's what I got. They're not spaced out very well, but and that mag dump, I wasn't even aiming for the mag dump, but the double taps are about where I want them to be. I'm shooting low. You can tell here, I'm sure, how low I'm shooting. I need to adjust the sight. That's with the 45.